Looking for the best aftermarket parts and accessories for your model? Look no further than MCV Products. Bring your models to life at mcvproducts.net.
And I have it.
Very close by. Have we made decisions?
There goes.
Se va a cerrar a la 1.
The frame on that is stretched. Like I said, I built the tire rack, I stretched it. The up ramp is stretched. Replicate, have modelcars. The quality of what I can't get one. But honestly, truth, that is a kick match. That is. It's the Lone Star or the LA Dart kick match combined. I did that. The hauler, the back part is all scratch built. The fairing is that aluminum from Depot with steel hardware bolts and the windshield fairing, the nano lights. It's got electrical in it. That was built. That was built. These three were built. The EV over there. That wagon.
That's what they.
Weatherly Blade was the last one. These.
That's really cool. We need to start watching F1. Maybe next year.
The interior display, and then it's got so you pick it up, it's twice as heavy as a
I could just finish a
Yeah.
I'll follow you back when I get home.
I can go.
Hopefully next year. And I just bought a 77 car pit here. I've been waiting to get one. So that'll be something I'll do next year. I have a few projects, right? I just haven't had time to look because of school and work. Yep. Life. Yeah, basically, yes. Life gets in the way. I have a 79 Ford Bronco too that I recently got back. These are 3D printed. 3D printed.
Good deal. So you can have that back.
Thank you.
Just so you know, I don't watch TV no more. I just watch YouTube.
I'm getting about that way. Ask her.
Yeah.
That's just you come up with something new all the time. I'm like, all right.
I appreciate that.
You threw everybody for a loop when you said, look guys, it's not me. It's when I rated #1. I'm like, I don't remember that kid.
You've seen the video, right? No, I haven't. It's called the League. You go back? It's golden motors. I had it. I just watched that video. Oh, it was? I didn't even know that made a kid. Yeah.
All right, everybody, you got 2 more minutes to get your balance in.
It's I was fortunate enough to be able to retire at 50, so I've got time.
Yes, sir.
I do own a woodworking business as well, but that is I can pretty much work whenever I want to.
Right on. It means a lot when you can work for yourself.
Yes, absolutely.
Sometimes. And other
Sometimes.
times, and other times, it's, you know what?
Voting yet, please take the ballots, vote, and take them up near the raffle giveaway and put them in the ballot box. The second most important thing is the food truck will be leaving at 2 p.m. So if you want to walk in and get some food, you need to do it soon because they're leaving at 2 p.m.
Want to do it from the other side? I think you know. Yeah, yeah. I got that's It's possible.
So it's 48, getting that past there, trying to get the 32 finish.
All right.
So, and then they'll just, so I'm going to get this roll.
I have never seen this many high quality builds in one place.
Yeah, we got some decent build up of wire.
Yeah, I haven't really seen a bad.
K&M, that's either 3D printed or resin, one or the other. We never made a K&M. Great car for the time period. Big, heavy monster, slow as well. Fun to drive.
Krieger's, white leather tires, traction bars for that, and some oil and engine oil.
Last year, our total was 1.2. This summer, we're doing 900,000. I don't know. They usually have 13 or 14.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
I'd say that for special. His work has always been awesome. So neat. Time to actually talk with him and stuff. And yeah, I love it. It's awesome. So many guys. We've been friends on Facebook for years and buying each other's work and meeting these people in person. It is. I'm glad you guys made it down again. I'm so glad.
You think this is going to be welding?
Okay. I mean, I've been looking forward to this so much. I had a bunch of cars I'm trying to finish up. And I've got issues with
What's your petty kit? So it's the Charger. It's the Charger kit. No? It's good.
And the other one was Morton. No, Ken Mutani. That little sports car that he 3D designed and printed and built. That little blue metallic one I gave him.
No, I'd like to know.
Work, but
people don't know what it takes to get a good picture.
Oh, yeah.
They're all bands. And it's cool that we
I just wanted to say hello.
All right, folks, we got, if you're interested in getting some of these back lanes right here.
Never saw the 116 Taylor Hill. Is this yours?
No, but I have had a couple. I mean, it takes so. You don't know how much work it takes to get one that look that good because they set up like a 4-wheel drive truck.
Well, yeah, because
The original kit.
yeah, because
Nothing fits right. I mean, it's just.
well, that Charger model, I was a kid and it was clear, and I see them reissued. I mean, I'm 62, so that was 50 years.
those square bodies.
But you can't be mad if I just take the body off and clean it. Yeah, right. Probably would mad, right? You'd be like, holy shit, probably flip out. Need some spark plug. You don't think the building's yeah, you gotta kind of get into it. You'll know pretty quick because of where it's at, right? How far down it goes, and you'll know if you need it. Somebody already took me put a big white cloud across the nose and going down the side. I'm not good.
Down to the feet there, those bubbles or not?
I haven't touched it. Oh, okay.
This was our 30th show. We started at humble beginning in 1996, and here we are. Next year will be our 30th anniversary show, October 24th, same place. The theme are music and motion, so any car that has something to do with the song. And there's thousands of them when you start looking. And red, white, and blue. Any car that's red, any car that's white, any car that's blue, any car that's red, white, and blue, or any red, white, and blue. How many people have been to 20 plus acting shows? Raise your hand. 20 plus acting shows, raise your hand. 15. 10. How many people, this is their first show?
Oh shit, you got somebody drop a litter of donuts. God damn, you got luck all in the tip. I just got $35. So I took her, had her ears clipped, the tail was already docked. Yep. Got her spayed. She got 13 years out of my Doberman. That's pretty good to hear. Everybody's got one out there in the world. I don't think I have any pictures because I had a black and tan
timcustom@gmail.com.
just like that.
Yeah.
In the vet told me, he goes, Tom, I've never had a
I want
yellow
to do terrible things.
Yeah, thyroid. When I had thyroid caused cancer. Yeah.
I just caught that out of it.
What a dog. I was living with my parents. I lived with my mom.
This is actually an award that all candidates He said he was giving it free. Yeah, Myrtle Beach. So I won something. At least these things won't take up a lot of space in the trophy shelf.
What do you call these things?
I'm already making it.
It's almost a whole new category, isn't it?
That's good. So if I don't think you throw it in,
Again, it's just another tool.
have a safe trip back. Thank you.
But extra points for designing those.
I don't get it.
Now I would think you do.
But the award is in having the model itself.
Is this a 3D print too?
Well, this is a 3D print category, so I'm assuming it is. Let's see. Let's see.
This all interesting or something.
That's why that was
Somebody like these. Especially if you look at it from the back side is topped up. To make it kind of set in a little bit more. After everything went together and after I put the little disc brake background, pushed it out just enough to where the wheels is all cocked up.
Yeah, that shit's happened to me.
Man, dude, I'd be so mad.
I'm going to look at the last couple tables real quick.
Get
It's
it.
the first time I've actually gotten a look at all.
Oh, yeah.
To every one of you who helped make our show the show it is. We enjoy doing it, and we enjoy doing it because of you. Something else we did, and that'll be quiet, I promise. This last year, we started doing a make and take program to encourage young kids to get involved in our hobby.
Man, appreciate it.
And we go to events